Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add fillable text box to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you want to do is go to the official adobe.com website right here and access Adobe Acrobat section, and from here we can get started downloading it. Once you've downloaded and installed it, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started, and at the top of the screen you're going to be able to see the recommended tools for this section. This is great for beginners to take a look at all the tools that are in their disposal that they can use. So let's go and take a look at how to add fillable text boxes. As you can see, using the edit PDF option right here, this is going to enable us to modify or add text. So what we can do is go ahead and open an article such as this one on the official community Adobe website. Somebody already asked how do you go ahead and add text fillable form fields, and here we have an answer by somebody who works at Adobe. So basically guys, what you're going to do is go ahead and click edit to PDF and you're going to go ahead and get started. But as you can see, the editing option is limited only to users with the premium plan, so you cannot edit PDFs or add fillable text boxes with a free version of the program. You need to update, and once you have gotten your premium plan, you can open up the edit PDF section right here and follow the articles online step by step for your specific use case, and this is how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.